Hello everyone, I am Devdeep Banerjee from Team Academic Leisure, and I will be showing you the follow through of this project that we have created. So without any delay, let's get started. This is our landing page. We have created a web page based on blockchain for exam records. Its necessities are mentioned here. We'll not go through this, so let's get started. This is a login page. There are two types of users, student and admin. So let's just log in with one Madhav, and let's say um, password, let's say anything 152. Logged in, it will show invalid username or password. The reason is obvious because we have not registered yet, so we'll register first. Madhav stu 152 or 15, actually let's go with 153 Armstrong number. So next, let's Madhav 153 at the rate gmail.com. Okay, so let's register. You have successfully registered and now we can log in. So it's automated at the login site. Now let's log in Madhav, and then password is stu153. Let's log in. You will see an empty page. Welcome Madhav, but we will see an empty page over here. The reason is obvious because we have not entered or made any entries for Madhav yet. So let us make the entries. I will log in as an admin, and let's say just a random username and password. Now we are successfully logged in. We can see all my previous database entries over here. So let us try for Madhav as well. 153, student name Madhav, and then exam name. By the way, if we miss or mismatch any entries over here, the records won't, if the records will be successfully entered, but while verification they won't be verified accurately, so we need to be careful here. And what was this? Wait a minute. Exam name, so let's say mathematics 1, semester 1, score let's say 50, data URI example.com metadata slash say 5153 pass. It's an obviously pass. 50 is pass, so I'll add it. First message is shown for successfully adding to the database. Next is for successfully adding to the blockchain. Now let's see. Yes, we have successfully entered this in our database. Let us enter a few more, because it otherwise it will look really empty. So Madhav, exam name let's say physics 1, semester 1, score let's say 60, metadata URI example.com metadata 154. This is also a pass. Add record, successfully added to database, successfully added to the blockchain. Let's see. Yes, it matches. Let's enter just one more for making it look good. Exam name let's say chemistry 1, semester 1, score let's say 20, https example.com metadata, then 155. This is obviously a fail out of 100, so it's marking this as fail. Let's enter this, add it to the database, add it to the blockchain. Okay, now we can see this. Okay, now let's go back to our user Mother. This time for hopefully we'll not see an empty dashboard, we will see the entries that we have made through our admin, through the admin dashboard. So let's verify. Now the student will come here, he or she will see their records, exam marks, pass or fail, and let's say he or she is not satisfied with the marks that they have got. I mean, they might feel like it's not the correct marks, so they will verify this. You will see that the records in database exactly match with the records that in blockchain, because we have entered the same data. The admin, when he has entered the data, they both go to the database and the blockchain at the same time. Now let's say a hacker modifies this database entries. Let's say this Madhav is a hacker, an ethical or an unethical hacker, and he modifies his own chemistry marks from 20 to, let's say, 90. So let's do this uh, update exam records. I'm just showing one sample demo. Then let's say set score is equals to, just a minute, score is equals to, let's say, 90. Okay, next we'll do where student id, we have to write the student id, so that matches with the table. You can see the table over here. Student id is equals to, let's say, this that we have entered this 153, if I'm not wrong. And we have to also write the subject is basically the exam name. So let exam name is equals to, let's say, which one did he got the lowest marks? Is chemistry. Okay, so chemistry, it is chemistry 1. Okay, and we'll enter this change. Successfully changed in the database. So the hacker will somehow get into my database and just change the record. Let's see if the database entry has been changed or not. Let's see. Yes, it has been changed from uh, 20 to 90. So let's now go back to this and verify the record. So get started. This is Madhav, STU153 Armstrong number. Let's log in. You will see the database entry over here, 90. uh, it's failed. Could have changed this fail to pass as well, but anyways, let's just go through with this. You will see this will show the database records. It's he or she has changed 90, but they cannot crack this blockchain record that I have done through Genache. And you will see this unverified records. So this is how the entire thing works basically. So if anyone else has, let's say, modified or changed someone else's record by getting inside the database, he or she cannot, I mean, change it permanently. It will be reflected over here. So everyone's data records are basically protected. So and there is an it's maintaining authenticity and confidentially as well. So thank you for your time. Let's move on.